How to redeem Battle.net gift card. If you'd like to redeem your gift card on Battle.net, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now for this, all we have to do is to simply open up our browser. Once we open up our browser, this is the interface that we will be able to see. So just go to Battle.net, and then by the way, make sure that you're signed into your respective account. Now, click on the profile icon or the profile name from the top right, and then you'll see many options, but you can simply hover your mouse over to the one that says redeem code, and then just click on it. And then when you've done that, you can also come to account overview page. Here it will ask you to redeem a code, where you can simply enter your gift card code and then hit the redeem code button to redeem it. This way you can redeem your Battle.net gift card or any other code. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.